So about a year ago, I decided to do something I've never done before, and that's to do a 30-day vegan challenge. It went so well. We had so many people in the Facebook group interacting that it became a thing. And the one thing I love about vegan food is that it's simple, it's versatile, and you can take everyday ingredients that you know and love and figure out a way to make them really, really, really amazing. I'm gonna show you how to take sweet potatoes and jazz them up in a curry that is going to be absolutely outstanding, full of flavor. It's gonna be so good, you're gonna say, why haven't I been doing this all along? The first thing I wanna do is I wanna get some parchment paper down on this sheet tray, and I've got a bunch of sweet potatoes that I've already chopped. I'm just gonna throw these right on the sheet tray. Like most things we do when it's time to roast, they're gonna get a little bit of olive oil along with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And then this is the pepper. And you really wanna get in here and work it around. That way they all get some contact time with the oil and the salt and the pepper. All right. My oven's preheated 375 degrees. These are gonna go in just until they're nice and cooked all the way through. All right, meanwhile, let's start on the rice for the curry. So I've got a pot on the stove ready to go. I'm gonna add some oil right into the bottom of this pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my rice. All right, and then we'll just give this a good stir. All right, and then on the other skillet, let's get started with our curry. So I'm gonna add in some oil, and then I'm gonna add in lots of good things. Let's start with some onion that's already been chopped. I've got some bell pepper, and then I'm gonna add in some garlic as well. Let's give that a stir. All right, I'm gonna add in some fresh thyme. So I'm just gonna pull the leaves off the thyme and drop them right in there, just like this. All right, just get a little salt and pepper. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my vegetable stock and let that cook up. Here's what I wanna do. I've got the onion, the peppers, and I've got the garlic. It's all smelling really good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some more seasonings to really get the party started. So I've got some curry powder that I'm gonna throw in here. All right, along with the curry powder, I'm gonna bump up the garlic flavor with some minced dried garlic. Got a little bit of dried fennel. And then for a little bit of heat, I'm gonna put in a pinch of red pepper flake. All right, then let's add in our vegetable stock. And then I'm gonna finish off with a little bit of coconut milk. After a while, 20 minutes or so, the potatoes are gonna come out nice and hot like this. And what you wanna do is take your roasted potatoes and drop them off into the curry that's bubbling away. All right, so the curry has now been cooking for a while, and as you can see, it's nice and boiling and delicious and reduced down and nice and thick on it. And let's get some rice. Oh, look at that. All right, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to fix me a plate before I taste it. All right, so put a little rice on the bottom of the plate like that. I'll grab some of this sweet potato curry. All right, I'm getting up in here for some of this vegan sweet potato curry with the sweet potato and the rice with the garlic. Just what you'd expect. Super delicious. There's a homey feeling to it that makes you go, man, this is so comforting. It's really good. You gotta give it a try. You have to. All I need is a ginger beer and I'll be set. Listen, The recipe, you know what it's gonna be. DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. There's a little spice right here. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.